Presenting the next generation in refrigerators, the new NXW from Godrej Nxw. Its revolutionary, just the right temperature technology gives you the convenience to customize your refrigerator depending on your varying requirements. Just bought your week's vegetable supplies? Convert more zones into a vegetable pantry. Or customize zones to store more cooked food. Party going on? Get more chiller space. With the unique JTRT technology, which keeps different foods at just the right temperature, now customize and convert any part of your refrigerator to suit your need. The JTRT technology is achieved with the combination of an intelligent next-generation algorithm, smart sensors in every shelf, and a microprocessor which controls and directs the airflow to each shelf depending on your chosen settings. Set the zones through the smart internal digital panel or the sleek digital touch panel outside. Simply touch the panel to set the refrigerator in your chosen mode: Turbo Chill, Quick Freeze, Holiday Mode, Child Lock, Cool Timer. Intelligent motion sensing zone lighting lights up the zone you are accessing brighter. Revel in NXW's thoughtfully designed technology. A smart collapsible wine rack, so you can store just as many bottles as you need. Slide and serve door bins, designed for extra convenience. Smart airlock technology to avoid cooling loss when a door is opened. Auto-sensing holiday mode detects reduced refrigerator usage and optimizes energy consumption. A large bottom-mounted freezer, so you do not need to bend often. An extendable freezer bin to store more when needed. Stay Cool technology, which ensures longer-lasting cooling during power cuts. Dual fan system for superior air circulation. With bright LED lighting and designer looks. The new NXW from Godrej Nxw. Step into the next world of refrigeration.